Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lama and this is Crayfix with Lama. So on today's video, I'm doing a proper cleanup of my house because let me tell you guys, I've not had time over the weekend, so I'm going to do a cleanup. The place is so dirty. It is everything is everywhere. It's so disorganized. I can't. Okay, let me just show you so you understand where I'm coming from. So right about now it's around 2 p.m. I had errands in the morning, so now I'm back, so I want to clean up, then yeah, we continue with the day. So let me show you. So guys, this is the situation. I've just had some lunch, some pilau. Yeah, so this is the situation. These are clean clothes. I want to fold them, then yeah, put them away. Yeah, everything is everywhere. Look at that. Shoes that need to be cleaned. Then the kitchen. Hey, ever take a look at that. Hata siwezi ongea mbele ya watu. Ona tu. Everything is everywhere. Isn't it utensils yesterday during the day, but we left for some time, so we came back late, so I could not do it. I was so tired. So yeah, right about now. So I also remember I promised you guys a fridge organization video, which I'll post on the next video after this one. So be sure to check it out. And if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking my video. Be sure to leave a subscription and also share with your friends and family. And yeah, if you know anyone who likes or will be interested in such content, by such content I mean cooking, cleaning, yeah, basically lifestyle content, be sure to let them know so that they can join the family. Also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate you guys. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to begin with the bathrooms and the bedrooms, then I'll proceed to the rest of the house. I'll not talk much on this video, so please do enjoy the music as you watch the video. Thank you.
My whole world has shifted again. You made a promise, I kept it. Now I'm second guessing. My whole world has shifted again. Now I drive back to an empty room, and it's setting in. Now that your things are gone, what have I done? Was everything worth this? I guess I deserve this. Why do I run whenever I'm hurting? Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
So guys, here I'm spraying the Astonish carpet and upholstery cleaner. This is in order to deodorize my carpets. You'll notice I'm doing the same on my dining area carpet as well. So this helps leaving the carpet fresh and clean. And guys, this product is amazing. As you have seen on the video, I've used it on my seats as well. This has helped me maintain my off-white seats for this long. I would highly recommend.
Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real? But don't you worry, I'm not looking for the one. No, I just wanna have some fun. So let's get drunk tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't.
The cleaner in the yellow bottle is the Astonish kitchen cleaner. I used it to clean all the surfaces in the house because of the yellow lemon zesty scent it has. It leaves the house smelling fresh and wonderful. That's why I love it.
Doesn't wanna fall in love. May not see eye to eye, but we can be chill for just this moment. So turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together. Let's get high tonight, 'cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now, I won't give it all away, 'cause I don't think I'll stay. No, I can't be the only one who doesn't wanna fall in love.
I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'd lose you if I didn't. Can we find what we're missing and compromise? So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can we find a single...
So guys, I'm finally finished, and yeah, this is how the house looks now. So clean and fresh. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and leave a like, share, and press the notification bell in order to get a notification whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good one. See you on the next one. Bye.
Run and hide. Oh, would that make you run and hide? Don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of options, nothing's working. I'm out of service. Come help me now, I'm fucking nervous. I'm trying but can't scratch the surface. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen.